welcome back. So this is what we did last day. We made many commits. Still think that I could do the other side of the fork. I mean, not going from X11coin to something else, but from Bitcoin to CoinMachi, and then add stuff from X11coin. But anyways, we're going to work like this. So that's it. So let's see if we can end this. We have these changes here, which there are some changes here. Then we have the changes about some other files that still need to change, readme.md and so on. We need all of this to be taken into account so that we can and I'm not sure what's the problem with this hash stuff. I mean, it's supposed to be the same thing many places. So yeah, this is what we have here. Here we can refresh this. We can see all of this. Yeah, so first of all, we're going to keep going on with everything that we have here. I don't remember very well what we had here, so let's take a look, see what we can commit here. So let me see. So first of all, we have main.cpp. So we have some changes about staking. Working with difficulty and so on. Well, I don't remember very well. I mean, there is a lot of changes here in main.cpp. Then we also have this Bitcoin miner, Machi miner stuff. Yeah, so we haven't worked on this yet, as far as I understand. Yeah, so I think that we were taking a look at yeah, so there was this thing about mining bitcoins but magic coins, which is from net.cpp, main.cpp and main.h. Maybe it's all of these that we have here. So let me see what we have on wallet.cpp. So the other question is if we have more stuff on the other side, which is this Magi, which I think is Magi is here, I think. So the question is if there is something about Magi minor. So when you take a look at main.cpp, you can see how the Bitcoin miner, let me see, Bitcoin miner becomes Magi miner. Okay, so that means that Magi miner is going to be in more places in Magi. So the question is, are you elsewhere rather than main.cpp, net.cpp, main.h? Okay, so it's all of these three files, which happen to also be on, they happen to be the same files, because if you compare them, you can see how main.cpp, main.h, and the other one, which is net.cpp, they are the same ones in both of the what's the name, in both of the folders. So that means that we can do the commit here. So what I'm going to do right now is try to search this thing about Magi miner and yeah, this thing about Magi miner and Bitcoin miner. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do this properly. Then we also need to use the other files that we have around here. So let's try to add main.cpp, main.h, and net.cpp. See what we can do with all of this. So we don't want this, we don't want this. We don't want this yet. Let's split all of this just in case we don't miss anything. Now we've got the cutoff weight, ball cutoff weight, which is different. Look at that, coins for swapping with prior Magi coin. This makes stuff more difficult than it was before. Okay, look at this. F miner is true when called from the internal Bitcoin miner or Magi miner. So I want to save this. Coin stake. Look at this. This is how PP coin stakes, and now we no longer stakes. Okay, not this. X11 coin. Now we are talking about Bitcoin. and multi-coin. No. Set best chain. No, no, no. I mean, there are a lot of stuff that need to be saved here till we have something that makes sense. Because right now, this is comment. Stupid comment. Okay. Nothing useful. Nothing useful here. Oh my god. You ask yourself how many changes are there. Okay, let me see. Yeah. Okay, look at that. Bitcoin miner. Let's split this. Not this. Bitcoin miner, Machi miner. So this is not needed. This is not needed. Now we can split. So yeah, look at it. Bitcoin miner, Magic miner. And let's split because Bitcoin miner, Magic miner, thread Bitcoin miner, generate Bitcoin, generate Magic. Here it is, the CPU miner. I mean, I'm not going to save this. I just want stuff about Bitcoin miner, Magic miner, generate Bitcoin, generating mine. Magic miner, CPU miner, not this one yet. But let's write down somewhere that we want to work with. Let's see what day is today. Okay, so what the hell is this? Machi miner, Bitcoin miner. Yes, we want this. We don't want any of this. Not this. Let's split this just in case. Yeah, we want all of this. Yeah, we want this, and we are done. So right now, what we have is that this thing about main. Okay, so this is, wait, so this is something useful. Let me see. How the hell do I call this? Don't remember very well how to call this. Adapt. Yeah, probably we don't need to do anything. So you want to say something like fork machi main.cpp adapt. Yeah, okay, so fork margin adapt, and this is going to be main.cpp Machi miner instead of a Bitcoin miner. So this is what happens here. Okay, nice, I guess. I wonder, maybe I have managed to miss some stuff here related to Bitcoin and Machi or not. Maybe not. I mean, yeah, probably not. And the other one was the network, isn't it? Net.cpp. Yeah, network CPP has some stuff about this. Main.h. Oh, wait a minute. Let's quit here. Main src main.h. So not this, not this, not this. Look at that split. Now we have generate bitcoins, generate Machi. Bitcoin miner, Machi miner. Oh my god, this is not good. Because we have here this get last stuff, then it's not okay. So I will have to do this manually so that it's okay. Wait a moment, please. Stage this. So I don't think there is anything else related to this. Okay, so right now we have src main.h, and net.cpp should also have some stuff here, like this one here, this one here, and that's it. So what we have here, which is from main.h and net.cpp, we should be able to add it to our last commit, which is about this. So our last commit is this thing, adapting. So what we do is amend, and that's it. So it would be Machi miner instead of Bitcoin miner. Save. So now the problem that I have is this thing about let's see. So right now what I want to save is src main.h. okay, and what I want to add is how where the hell are you, how this Bitcoin miner it's converted into Machi miner. Okay, So in order to do so, well, I have to remove this two lines here so that it's well done. Okay, so let me copy this elsewhere so that I have it at a hand. Okay, so now if I go here and I look for this thing here, main.h, yeah, so can we, oh my god, okay, so so if you go here and you search src main.h, we can search for get plus block index. Look at this, and I can remove, what the hell is this? I can remove the pause and the poll. Okay, look at this. Now if I say diff, I should find here Bitcoin miner, Machi miner only. So I can say hit add this thing here. Wait, what no changes? 1 second. net.cpp. Why aren't there any changes? Oh my god. Damn it, what the hell has happened here? Oh, sorry. What I want to net.cpp. So we have managed to do net.cpp then. Okay, so this changes from netcpp were the latest changes that netcpp had so far. Okay, so what I'm interested in is main.h. Okay, so main.h now it will be able to give me the commit that I want to, which is this one here. So Bitcoin miner, Machi miner. I think that we don't want anything else. Look at that. So now we can once again say, with what we have here, cache, we can say that we amend the last commit because we want this here inside of it, and that's it. So now the last commit has also this main.h stuff about generate bitcoins and generate Machi. Okay, so this is perfect. But now we have a problem, which is that we are missing changes to main.h. So what we are going to do is we're going to refresh. We are going to find out that main.h has some changes, which is this. Okay, so we can copy to the right so that this has to change. And once we have done that, now when taking a look and src main.h, we're going to have this thing here. We see exactly what happens here, which is we have this previously hash and the height, which is added here. Or not. What the hell is this? C block index p index. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so this is nice. So let's go on in a minute or two.
Okay, so
let's go on and see what we can get from all of this. Okay, so we are back online. Somehow this was disconnected. So main.cpp, main.h, I notice more differences here and there. Not sure how to deal with all of this. Maybe we should take a look at the spaces and so on. Because there are quite a few of them that maybe should be fixed somehow or something. Then there's this thing about loop while too, which we don't care too much about what the hell is doing. Okay, let's try and see what we can do with some of these spaces that should not be there. So I want this. Let's split just in case. I mean, I don't know. Look at this. I want this. There isn't a space, which yeah, I'm not sure if it's actually needed. Probably not, but I don't know. Yeah, this is one space that we want to have. I mean, there is a lot of stuff that could be written something a different way. Yes, not this, not this. I mean, here we have many spaces less. Wait a moment, there was something about previous. See, so it's K, capital K. Yeah, so here we can split. We want this. Yeah, I mean, we don't care. So right now, what we have is all of this. Okay? So this is something about a space, which, or remove a space, I don't know. What 1 second, please. I had something about okay, let's see if I can find commit custom strings. Here they are. I can have this here. Yeah, let's do remove and that's it. Fork Marty remove. Spaces. Perfect. Yeah, maybe we can say that this is from main.cpp or something like that. Main.cpp spaces main. Okay, so something else that I have seen about main.cpp, I mean, it's X11coin becoming magic coin. I mean, there are many of them. Many of these changes here. I don't happen to see them. Look at this magic. Look at this. But this is not okay. I mean, how I'm supposed to do all of this if this doesn't make any sense? Okay, let's try to fix this somehow. So this should be main.cpp, which I have it here, main.cpp. Let's see if I can do this properly. So at around 4,000 something, we should have this thing about CPU mine. So multi-miner started. Okay, yeah, here it is. So here we remove 2 enters because, I mean, I guess that doesn't make any sense to have these 2 enters here. So let's see if it's any better right now. So we should be 4,000 something, isn't it? Okay, so now we have this multi-miner, CPU miner, okay, which is okay. Then we have We are removing an space here, which is somewhat later, 4000 multi-miner. So I should be looking for multi-miner. Devel print. No, this is not it. New block found. I mean, I guess that this is later on. Wait a moment. Okay, multi-miner space this thing. I think this is what I'm looking for. So first of all, so let me see. STR mint one, yeah, it's around here. So the first thing we want to fix is this should be more to the right, like here, but like here. I mean, I don't know. Let me copy from the original one, which is on wait a moment. The original one is not anywhere. I mean, I should get to check out something. But yeah, I mean, I can copy from here and remove the plus. Wait a moment, please. Let's see if I don't mess it up. So go here, do like that, remove the thing and say that this is much minor. I think everything is the same thing. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so now if I should compare this, let me search this. So if I compare this again, we can see this, and now this thing here is different because we have changed this, but so according to this, we have removed a space on top of this line. So on top of this line, well, let me add it and see if we can manage to do this properly. This should be like here. Look at this. Okay, this is, there's still a space here that it's missing. So maybe just add a space. Why the hell is always a space missing there? I don't understand it. How many enters do you want here to be? so that this works properly. 4,000 something. 1 second, please. I don't understand anything. Okay, in any case, this should be to the right, which is what happens here. So I'm going to fix this so that it's the same thing. Okay, now let's see if we can find out what's the problem finally. Here you are. Okay, so now we have everything into the same. Oh, wait a minute! I have a minus here. We should not be there. Yeah. Okay. Let's try again. Look at this. So now we have more or less the same stuff here. Okay. However, it still says that here. Wait a moment. Here we have some spaces. That's what this is waiting for. So let's see if I can do this properly. I mean, main.cpp. So here we should have something. Multi-miner. Damn it. So remove. Yeah, I have to remove an space from above, and I think we are done. I mean, this should be easier to do because I'm not used to work like this. I should be able to work from the other side, which is a bit more easier. Okay, look at this. Now we have this is properly done, but I don't know why this is a problem. I mean, this is probably tabs instead of spaces, and that's why it doesn't recognize that it's the same thing. So let me work here. So we should have this here. Damn it. I think I need to just copy and paste from the original file so that I don't get mad at this. Where's the original file? I don't have the original file because you need to check it out. Okay. Let me see. So right now, even if I have copy and paste this, it doesn't seem to be the same exact thing. So printf doesn't seem to be the same thing. Printf. Okay, so we remove this and this, and now everything is the same thing. I have no idea. No, it's not. Well, these are tabs. Now I'm convinced. 'Cause maybe it's not anything. Wait a minute. Wait a moment. You are removing also some spaces here. So if and the line before, and then we say Matimania. So like this. Then we say Matimania. I cannot do anything else, isn't it? No. Okay. This should be easier to do than we think of. Okay. So here, hit restore src. I mean, now we have made some changes here. Okay, let's save the changes that we have done here. So not this, not this, not this, not this. But we have done some changes, which is I mean, we need 4,000 lines, something like that. Okay, we want this change, nothing else. So this is going to be, wait, hit show. Okay, so hit div cached. So this is going to be Mati miner instead of CPU miner. Okay. And that's it. And then I'm going to restore this to whatever. Okay. And now I'm going to open this file and around here we should have this CPU miner. Okay, which becomes multi miner. Okay, so now if we take, we say, what the hell happens here? We only have this. Okay, which is give me everything from here, and we can add this to our latest commit, and that's it. So once we have done this, we are going to copy and paste main.cpp again, which now we'll have a lot of changes. So main.cpp, we're going to copy it once again to the right, and now we can see what the hell happened here with another commit, which is, let me see, here it is. So we have some spaces, some stupid stuff that it's been moved. Why, we don't know, but this has been moved here and there because whatever, you know what I mean. Okay, so now I can add the line that we have here, which is okay. What the hell are you, my friend? Not this one here. So now we can do this, which is diff cached. So hit commit number 2 spaces, so that we can later on remove them if needed. Okay. Okay, let's see what more do we have here that is worth adding it somewhere. I mean, we have a lot of stuff that should not be there, like this indentation that makes it's like this proof of stake staff block, which is not okay because I say so. Wait, what about these 2 spaces? Why? Wait a minute. What the hell have we done right now then? Okay. So there are more spaces to add here. Where are they? Split. Yes. And then nothing else, because there is nothing else. Okay, so I can amend the last commit, which is removing the spaces. So now the last commit has these two spaces removed. Okay, so now let me save this indentation of Magiminer stuff, which I don't care. I don't like too much. So thread message. Where the hell are you? Not here. Wait, this is it. So this is going to be something like this is going to be number 2, although I mean it's not, we don't want to squash this actually. So we will see. We don't want to squash this. Let's see. I mean, this could be removed. This is not used. Indentation. I don't know how to write this actually, so we will do whatever. Okay. What more do we have on main.cpp that we can work on? So loop and while. Yeah, this is something that, I mean, that we can do, and we can remove it from here and we forget about it. Okay, because otherwise hit add minus. Where the hell are you? So this is loop true. So we want this loop true, and then we have this loop true to. So hit diff cached. Okay. Let's see how the hell do we call this. I mean, this is not something from, I mean, I think we could actually remove this. Say that we remove it because, so this is fork margin. Remove. Loop converted onto while true, and this is main.cpp, isn't it? I mean, this is something that it's needed for newer versions of Boost, I think. Boost C++. Okay, let's take a look what the hell else we can work on. So I was taking a look here at this thing that is proof of work, which is then you have proof of stake, but this is not the one that I was looking at. Proof of work. What the hell, I have seen something useful from all of this. Here it is, I think. So if you take a look at here, we have this is proof of work, which is removed. Then you have the proof of stake, okay? But this proof of work is actually down here, if I'm not mistaken. But instead of using whatever it's used here, it's using the get proof of work reward. So this is something that we can do in 2 steps, so that I don't get mad about it. So let me copy this and let's see if I can let's see if I can help doing this. So what we want to do is we want to find this if p block is proof of work, okay? And then we want to just we want to change it into this without too much change. I mean, not this space and then okay, let's restore this file and see what the hell we can do with this, because otherwise okay, so let's work with this. Okay, so now here we should be able to let me see. Okay, so what the hell I was doing? Yes. Is proof of work. Let me search this somewhere, maybe here. Not this thing here. So it's probably this. No. What the hell? Yeah. so this is the one that I want to modify, isn't it? Yeah, this is the one that I want to modify, so that we can do this in some many commits. So basically what we do here, I mean, and there is an enter on the bottom too, which I don't know if it has some spaces or not. I mean, why would you add a space on the bottom? I don't understand. So basically I want to do this, remove this, I didn't notice that this was commented out, so that means that this p index 0, it's not used. Okay. So far, what the hell have we done here? So instead of the original one, we have this So what the hell is this? This is something like adapt, isn't it? Let me see. Adapt. So instead of get block hash, so this is proof of work has its own get proof of reward function. I think this is what more or less means this, but we need to add this here, otherwise we cannot commit this. So once again, once we do this, we can refresh this. We can copy main.cpp from the left to the right, and now we can compare this again. And not sure what will happen. What will happen here? So here, look at that. Proof of work. What the hell? Yeah, so apparently this proof of work is different than the one from above, because whatever. I mean, it makes sense because I mean, there is this enter here. What the hell is the difference between this and this and this and this? I don't understand. We were supposed to be friends. Okay, let me see. Find the most recent already minted block. I mean, this p block is in the same place or not? So how do you compare this to this? You don't compare it. We need to restore so that we can compare. So once again we have this stupid stuff that somehow it doesn't help us to compare all of this. So apparently we are adding here some spaces. Maybe we can I don't understand. Let's remove the proof of stake stuff from here. See what the hell. Oh. Maybe all of these tabs is the difference. And that's why we have so many problems. So if I remove all of this, okay. There's some space there. So this is tab, and we are adding, which we shouldn't be adding anyways. I mean, I have. What the hell is this? Wait a minute. Fill in header. So we don't want this. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, minus plus, and there isn't a space on the top. Then why the hell is that? We don't want that space on the top. Okay, look at this. So this is the same thing. So on the bottom, so on this field header, there's an enter. Field header. Just here, there's an enter. Damn it. So apparently this B block is the same thing. B block get reward. Understand this. So I think that the problem is converting tabs to spaces or something like that, and then move this a bit more, but you know what I mean. So I don't mind converting tabs into spaces, but it should be everything. Why this is, let's see here. So this one does not have tabs, so there is no need to convert it into spaces unless we let me see. So if we take a look at the head, we are adding this with spaces, I guess. So I guess that I can, what the hell are you? I can add this with tabs. So we want ST, so here. So right now, I'm not sure if I will be able to copy this line. Now this makes sense, so change me everything into this, but I want the change that I have made to be saved. So okay, so hit restore main.cpp, I mean src.main.cpp. Then we go to main.cpp. At around here we search for this thing somewhere, which is here. Wait, there isn't any tabs here. No, this is not okay. Are there any tabs here? So this was added as spaces, but then a bunch of tabs were added without. This makes no sense at all. No sense at all. So we already were okay. So main.cpp. Let me copy to the right. And that's it. Let's remove proof of stake from here, which is here. But look at this, all proof of stake with tabs, which is ridiculous. Okay. Then here we have this stuff which should remove the space from above. Okay. Look at this. Okay, so yeah, why not? So I'm going to make a commit of this, which is going to be right, which is going to be a training wait space. Wait a moment, what the hell is a? What I have done? No. Let's. I don't want. I'm not sure what I have done there, but I don't want to do any of this. Okay, so now patch this, and then nothing. Okay. Let me split. So it will be this thing here and this thing here, which is going to be this is going to be number 2 for this, which is indentation. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so now I should be able to, let's see, now we should be able to copy the file once again and main.cpp, copy to the right, and you know what I mean. Now we can say something filling header, previous money supply, which I'm not sure if it's something from the. Okay, let's take a look here. What the hell is this thing about previous money supply? Let me see. Okay, wait a moment. Let's take a look. Filling header, proof of work, so it should be here. Oh. This is commented out. So wait, why would you add something commented out here? Yeah, but this is something related to. So I think I'm going to add this as a comment, and we will see. Wait, ESE means and. Search for a hank matching the given range. Oh my god. I can just search for whatever I was searching for, which was pref money supply. Okay, which is here. Look at that. Nice. So yeah, so I want this and nothing else. So this is going to be comment. So you've got this proof of work that we have changed, and this is a comment. Okay, so now if we take a look at the differences, we can see how we add proof of stake here. Okay, but this tab here, it's not good, so I'm going to remove it, and we will add this stuff later on, because we don't want this shit here. Okay, look at that. This is very nice. So, proof of stake. Oh, look at that. I'm going to use this. So, I search for this. And, yeah, this is not it. Can't I search later on? Oh my god. Seriously? Yeah, so probably I want to search like this. Malformed. So I can escape this. F proof of stake. What the hell is this? I guess it's here, but I cannot. Okay, F proof of stake, like this. Yeah, this one here. So I want to commit this, nothing else. Yeah, I mean, this is part of the proof of stake stuff, which I'm not sure what it does, but you know, we've got this proof of stake part, which is removed. Wait a minute, this is removed. Damn it. I think I didn't want to. Let me copy this to a temporary file so that I understand what the hell is this. So what we had here, okay. So on the bottom, I'm going to have what it's been removed. And here on the top, we have what we add at the same time when we. So it's the same thing. This is not okay. So I need to know if this is an actual move in order to move it, because and if it's exactly the same thing or not, because otherwise this is very strange. So if I f proof, this is not the one that we want. F proof. So look at this. So these are so many lines. So let's suppose that I want this, and then I say, what the hell I'm going to commit? And you can see how this is exactly the same thing, but it's commented to the right. It's it indented to the right. I mean, is it the same thing or not? That's a very valid question. Yeah, this is a fucking piece of text that has been moved, and we have the text which has been indented to the right and then moved. So I think I want to understand where the hell was this and why it's no longer there. So look at that. To get next target required. So this main.cpp. So this is the new one, which is with tabs, which is quite awful. And then apparently there is some b-block something, which is here. Create new block. So the code was around here in line 4084, if I'm not mistaken. So collect memory pool, yeah, it was here. So here we had the code about attempt to find the coin stake. It was here. However, it's been moved onto here, which is like, I don't know. collect. What the hell is this? So we have a block that begins and ends there, which probably is something like lock. So coin stick is not new thing. It's something that it was already there, but we move it somewhere else, and apparently it's the same thing. So yeah, because this is the same thing, isn't it? I mean, yeah, we also have these two lines. Wait a moment. Well, I mean, you have one more line, but I don't know why you care so much about one line that. Yeah, we could remove one line from main.cpp if we want to, and that way we will add it later. What the hell are you? Yeah, it should be on bookmarks, so here we can remove one line, so that will mean the line is something on the bottom. This one here, isn't it? So now with this line I can mend the last commit. Proof of work has its own grep proof of work reward function comment. Wait, I don't want to save. Okay, the last commit. No. No. I don't want this. I just want the comment. Damn it. I have saved. I have not saved, so there's the last comment is the comment, and I don't want anything else. Damn it! I didn't have to amend this. So hit reset ahead like this, and that means that in the commit which is about to be done we have all of this, and now we can restore staged src main.cpp, and now we can add the comment, and that's it. Which I'm not sure if I'm going to remember very well which comment was it, or if it's going to be able. Okay, should be around here somewhere, I guess. This one here. Hit lock. So this one is the comment. Okay, so now what I want to do, so why the hell is this so much difficult? So now I have this thing about moving and it's okay. So hit add minus. So nothing. I mean, I could search for it, isn't it? So we should see a big red chant, which is this one here and this one here. That's it. So what I want to do is hit commit I want something like this, which is going to be proof coin stake find code is moved down the code. I don't know how to do this better. So once again, once we are here, we can copy paste this, and now we should have a space which I'm going to save, because why not? This should be at the very end, more or less 35 maybe. So here we have two spaces that should not be there and one space that should not be there. Okay, so this is number 3 about spaces, which is quite nice. So these are removed, so spaces that we remove or spaces that we add. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's take a look and see what more do we have here or there. So look at this. Here we have this coin stake. Think about if it's coin stake, I do something or not. And what the hell is this? Get block hash. Is something related to this? Get block hash. No. It's proof of stake. Check proof of stake. Primary checks or identity, which we don't want to have this. Look at that, X11coin magic. get annual interest. Okay, so is coin a stake? Let's see. I want to understand, is coin a stake? Okay. Yeah, because there are some references to PP coin, which is get coin age. Get coin age. Let's see. Get coin age. No. Trying to understand, to find whatever is being commented out. Get coin age, yeah. Okay, let's search something else then. So this should be in only one place, isn't it? Yeah, so this is what it's been changed. So actually we had an else here. So what happens when so this was the else, and here we have what happens when it's coin stake. So I think that this is done elsewhere, like maybe here, I don't know. It's here, look at that. Why would you what would you move all of this? Okay, so this is the one that we have here. Which we remove a lot of stuff, and then wait. Oh my god. What the hell is this? Connect block. Wait a minute. Yeah, I mean, these comments here have no sense. But nonetheless, are the comments that have been added there. This is stupid. I mean, let's see. How the hell do we do this? So this int 64 pass reward is no longer a stake reward, but pass reward, which is, oh my god. So this be index staff and block, and then return error, connect inputs. Yeah. Is proof of stake. No, it's not is coin stake, it's proof of stake. But it's actually yeah. What the hell I am here. So basically what you want to do is this thing here. Stake reward. What the hell is stake reward? So you are still using a stake reward even if it's you've got this post reward proof of stake. Oh my god. So what I get from this is, let me see, what I get from this is the following thing, which is not this, not this, not this. Not sure what I'm looking for. This one here. So coin stake. Let me write this down so that I don't. So is coin stake is renamed as so not this. Damn it, it's this one here. Enable to go return the OS. His constant is removed and moved inside. Move from connect inputs function to connect block function. Okay, so if I want to save this as a single stuff, as a single commit, I want to remove this because otherwise this is not okay. So right now I think I don't want to save this because I want to save everything in one go. Okay, so no, 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 no. Yes. No, 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 no. Do we want... Okay. Yeah, good question. We don't want any spaces, isn't it? So we don't want any spaces. And what we have here, wait. Okay. What the hell are the spaces that I'm looking for? This is not it. 1 second, please. Or not. Okay, let's go on. So, let's see if I can understand what the hell I was doing. Okay, let's see the cached, because otherwise we should have somewhere this function, which is here. So we don't want space on the top, the space on the bottom. This should be found here. Now we can what the hell? Yeah, the space on the bottom should also be removed, but I have not managed to do so. Because yeah, the original one didn't have so much spaces, so no. Wait a moment. Let's add the space. Yeah, better add the space. Yeah, that's. Okay, so now I have the commit stuff, which is the commit would be something like that. Fork magic adapt, and then is coin stake is renamed as something, and that's it. So the is coin stake now now it's proof of stake, and it's moved from connect inputs to connect block. So apparently the checks on if the function needs to be used or not is no longer done there, but somewhere else. Yeah. So yeah, so let's move on. What more do we have here that it's interesting? So maybe we can search for is proof of stake and see what we have around there. I mean, this is proof of stake should be we should probably need a function to define it and so on, I guess. I mean, or not. I mean, here it already exists. So proof of stake was already there, apparently. I mean, I should probably is proof of a stake. That's a good question. Is proof of a stake? Okay, so yeah. Is proof of a stake. Let's take a look here, what we have here. Look at this. So is proof of a stake is in many places. So the question is if is proof of stake is here somewhere or not. Is proof of stake. So there's nothing about this proof of stake, so we are not adding it, it's already there. So instead of it's coin stake. That's interesting. Coin stake, proof of stake. Why would you do that then? Unless the proof of stake thing is something that we have done before, something like that. Yeah. Okay, let me copy this stupid quick check. So here we are on quick check stuff, and here I'm going to so we should have so hit checkout, and this is going to be just before the fork. TMP mean this is, yeah, okay, so let's forget about any of this. Nice. Just before the fork. We are just before the fork, and I'm going to search for this thing that we have managed to find out, which is proof of stake. So does is proof of stake exist here? Yes, it is. So yes, apparently is proof of stake is something that ppcoin already had. I mean ppcoin X11coin already had. So yeah, that's interesting. Let's keep this open here just in case it's useful later on, but yeah. So maybe the comment should be something else, like is coin stake. Let me amend this, because right now do we have, yeah, let me amend this. So is proof of a stake is used instead of is coin stake. And code is moved from connect inputs to connect block functions. Yeah, I mean, what the hell is this? I don't know. It's like check the proof of stake later on or whatever. So if proof of stake is used instead of is coin stake, and code is moved from connect input function to connect block function, and that's it. Okay. So right now we have probably more stuff. I mean main.h. We probably have more changes here, like get proof of stake reward, which is moved down here and changed somehow. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so let let's take a look at the get proof of stake reward, because that's interesting. So get proof of stake reward, which I don't know what the hell is this. So we want definition, which is here. Miners coin stake reward based on and bits, whatever. So we want to convert the original one into this one, I think. Then later on maybe it's going to be moved, but right now it's just a big mess. So let me copy this. Yeah, copy this, and let's go to the past regarding this function, and we will just make this change so that everything is nice. So now I can search for this function definition, which is whatever, and we will be able to take a look at the different changes. Look at this. So now, what the hell do we have here? Look at this. Oh my god. Simple algorithm, not depend on div. I have removed more stuff than needed, isn't it? 1 second. No, the original one. Simple algorithm, not depend on the div. Why would you do this? Yeah. Should we remove this or not? I mean, yes, but okay. Okay, so we have the copy of whatever that I no longer find here. Yeah. Okay. What the hell is this? Okay, let's remove this thing about the simple algorithm stuff. Let's do this first. Yeah. So this is going to be so we adapt Marty and get proof of stake reward. So this is number one, which is removing this stupid line here, and then wait, it happened. Yeah, let's amend this. Hit show ahead like this. Okay, so now what we want to do is copy and paste this onto our main.cpp. Get proof of stake reward, and this will help us to understand what the hell were the changes done here. So as you can see, instead of using reward coin year, this is using our APR. It's using get post kernel PS to get the network weight, which is not properly done here. And we also have this thing about this thing here, and here you have some debug which we don't care about, which is too much change for us. So this is subsidy plus fees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all of this debug. That's it. So right now this is the adapt that we have from one thing to the other one. Okay, and I would say that we don't want this space down here. Look at that. That's it. So this is going to be number 2. Okay. So the next thing we want to do is add the debug stuff that we have here, so that it's going to be number 3. So we have this nice function, and now we have this debug stuff. No, wait a moment, debug was before the wait, I need to take a look at this. So we have number 1, which is removing this, and then we have number 2, which is okay. So originally we already had this print creation, which we do it we modify it so that it has this, and we return subsidy. And now we have this. Which I'm going to save as 3. Okay. So now, once we have done this, I mean, there is no more changes from main.cpp. However, let's copy from what we want to achieve, and let's copy to the right. Okay, so now this is very nice. So we have, let's remove this line. Let's do the stuff that it's nice to have here. Okay, then finally let's add this the back stuff, which I don't know why. We print creation, and this is the subsidy something something. Okay. So, what more are we finding out here that it's useful to have here? Verify hash started and signature of CoinStake transaction. Okay. What the hell do we have here? I mean, yeah, so we were changing one function, so which was get proof of stake reward, and now we can take a look at get proof of work reward, maybe. Which is here. So I guess that the difference is here, is all of this that we have here. Get proof of work reward. Yeah. Get proof of work reward. Let's take a look at the function real quick, see if it matches whatever I'm. Okay. So we so you've got get proof of a stake reward, which we have managed to understand what happens here. There is some different work. There's different way of make the calculus here, and then there are some more stuff on here. And I think there was something about moving this function somewhere else or not. I'm not sure about this. Get proof of stake. I mean, no. Okay, so get proof of work reward ends here, subsidy and fees. Get proof of work, so yeah, so it's and subsidy and fees. Get annual interest. Testnet. Okay, yeah, so this is what we want to do. Yeah, so let's add this so that we have the improvement about, yeah, so not this, not this, so this one here, if we can split, so I think it's not this. Okay, here it is. Damn it, you have a space there that should not be there because you are stupid. So wait a moment, I should, so here there is a space which we're going to remove, so that means that now wait a moment, what the hell do we have cached here, this thing that we don't want to cache this. Let me remove this real quick. Okay, nice. And so now wait a minute, so we want to split this, not this, not this, not this, yes, yes, I mean not this one, I mean we can quit right now. So right now, yeah, you've got trading spaces, I know. So right now what we have is this. So what we do is we adapt get proof of work reward, which I'm going to copy and paste from the other place. So this is going to be get proof of work reward, which is being adapted to Magi. So this should probably have some comments about what the hell is this, you know what I mean, but you can see how subsidy, so instead of subsidy 333 coin, you've got the difficulty, and depending on the difficulty you've got more or less coins, and then whatever. This is the coins for swapping for pre or Magi coin, and this coin swap, which, yeah, this was again, I think I have somewhere around here this discuss here, yeah, so giving 5% coins for swaps, so something. So you get 5% of your all Magi coin, to Magi. I mean, anyways. This is playing here. One, full dive. I'm not sure what the hell. I don't know. So it's here. So now should be able to reload this copy main.cpp again to the right. And once we have this, we should, I mean, not this, we should have PP coin. I mean, the problem is that I don't know where the hell this space is. Probably is the space that we have there. Because now in main.cpp 953 9.3, so probably what the hell? 953. Oh, look at that. It's here. Why the hell is there? Oh, there is one because there was one here. Yeah, so. Yeah, okay, so. Now we are fine with this, isn't it? I mean, we've got the second part of get the proof work reward, which it's not useful, but it's there. Okay, so what else can we do here? So we have many changes about get, look at that, get annual interest. Look at that. Get last block, get next started required, which is down there, and what's the problem with this? Why isn't this being detected properly? Sign it in, get the next target require const block index something something something. So it's probably an enter or something that it's not okay. Because it's exactly the same text. So I mean, if this is being removed and this is on the bottom, what actually happens is that this should be white and the text should be on the top, and I'm not sure what the hell is happening here. So we probably want to restore and copy all of this manually or something, and then we will see what the hell happens with this text that we are missing. Okay, so we remove this okay, let's copy this finally and see what the hell do we have here. So first of all, we restore src main.cpp, and we're going to search for get next tarts required and see what happens. Get next target required. Nice, I guess. Is it the definition that we're looking for? Sang int. Get next target require. Yeah, this seems to be the definition. So basically, we're adding some functions here, isn't it? So let me copy and paste what we have on the other place to see if I can manage. Okay, I mean, I could get it from the other place. Yeah, let's open it from the other place, which is this quick check stuff, which is the wait. No, this is not right, because this is from the future, so I guess this is right. Okay, so now hit diff. So 1 second. Okay, so let's see if we can do a commit of this properly. Get block index. Okay. So once we have this, I want to copy and see what the hell happens with this, and we will see. Main.cpp, copy to the right. Let's see what happens with. Oh, wait. Where were? Look at this. Get next target require is being changed because whatever, but it's being changed. So Okay. Get next touch required. Get next started require. Minimal change, which is return. Okay, so now we have this. We still have many changes to commit here, but the thing is that the thing about you know, the thing about having these two functions is already done. So we have this get last block index and get last block index. We already have this change here saved. So many changes still to be pushed, and then we will have to take a look at the rest of the files and push many more steps. So let's push into origin manual fork version 2 so that this is online, and that's it. Okay, so we will have to go on the next time. Okay, so bye.